Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Google Calendar to ICS files using Takeout, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Takeout page. Sign in with your Google account if prompted. Locate the section labeled Select Data to Include. Scroll down to find Calendar in the list of available data options. Check the box next to Calendar. Click on the All Calendar Data Included option to customize your selection. You will see a list of your calendars. Choose the calendars you wish to back up or leave all selected. After making your selections, click on the OK button. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Next Step. In the next section, choose your preferred file type. Select multiple formats to create ICS files. Choose your delivery method, such as receiving a download link via email. Set the export frequency to export once for a one-time backup. Click the Create Export button to start generating your ICS files. You will receive a notification once the export process is complete. Check your email if you chose the link delivery option. Download the zip file containing your calendar data. Extract the zip file to access the ICS files. You now have a complete backup of your Google Calendar in ICS format. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.